In this segment of this video, we are going to discuss how you can manage documents in your organization. So, for example, many times in your organization, you have such a requirement where you have to manage documents as per your department, sometimes as per your projects. In that case, what you will do in SharePoint is you will go in documents, create folder for that particular department. For example, I'm going to create document for marketing depth, and again, I will create a folder for sales. And in case you want to manage files for a particular project, you can create for project 001 and create. So this is how you can create multiple folders for each and every department for which you want to manage documents. And then the next step is to manage access. In that case, you will click on this three dot and then you will click on manage access. So by default, you can see that it has full right for owner, and after that for visitor it has can view, and for the members it has uh, edit right. So this is by default using SharePoint site. But if you don't want that every visitor can access this folder, every member can access this folder, in that case you will remove this access from here. So remove, again remove, and you can't remove owner access because the person who created the members who are the owner of this website can access all these folders, and that's genuine because members can't edit view. You can restrict for the members and visitor, but obviously owners can access each and every folder in this particular SharePoint site. So you will click on grant access and then you will type STW marketing. So you can see we have STW 365 Dev marketing managers. So I'm going to select this particular group. So members of this group can edit this folder because they are the managers. So I'm going to grant access. Again, I will go here, manage access, and you can see we have edit right for marketing managers. So again, I will add one more group, STW365, and this time I will pick marketing. So marketing representative I will pick, and they can have view right only. So I will add, and you can see that now we added managers as edit right and representative as view right. So this is how you can add grant access to a particular folder. So owner will have the complete access. Owner can view, edit, modify, and delete folders and files, but managers can only edit, and marketing representative can only view folder and files in that particular folder. So this is how you can create folder for each and every department, and after that you can restrict access by a particular group. If you don't know how to create group, I already created video in admin section how you can manage users and group. For example, you can go here in admin, and there you can see under users, teams and group, active teams and group. So there you can create a particular group, add members in that particular group, for example marketing managers. So you can see how many members are part of this particular group. You go in membership and members. So there is no member, we have owner, site visitor. So here you can add your employees as member, and then you can go here and manage their access using three dots. So this is how you can create folder for each and every department, organize your files, and grant access to a particular group in SharePoint.